Yedika yanko ambulance service ejumre. Me make sense say my friend ambulance service penifo omo ho e wa asemi mu nyina. Na enkomo bia koso. Ye beppo audio bia mo ati.
Ewuzanga na kasa ne de o ma na kasa yare. Ehia ne ma miensa, baako eye deliverance, baako e baptism, abaako se surgery. Ewetimi ko bo man nasu. Yesa bo di man pa ye deliver man free corruption, the hands of corruption. Ye deliver man no. Ana fe yetimi ko your man surgery. Corruption edidi o man na adwumu a. Yetimi ko yi corruption, ye ko ye surgery, eyi corruption e free o man no. Example say there. Every family Okatakyie Afrifa expose Ghana Ambulance Service. Corruption scandal bia e koso honomo. I just said Ghana for nyina ye ni afri that sector honomo. Ana omo mu hono sebi omo ye fragadam omo ye fragada ye bukata. Omo the Ghana Ambulance Service and other omo personal firm. Rather no more personal business entity and omo di mfaso bu omo botumo. Isi am ga say there. Professor Nuhu Zakaria Onyina ye was Afrifa Afrifa expose ono NAC of Ghana Ambulance. Afrifa their questions be now he's called on IGP Yoku Rechijakwa special prosecutor any attendant said Ghana Ambulance Service. So if people are here to fight corruption, they are any Ghana Ambulance Service. Bragadam Basa Katashelu Proyawi Anna El Coso and some day Afrifa Abe expose be pa I Penyah media. Let's say any day. Over like video no other room about subscribe button never click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better while when their mama e will comment section so baswa. No achi video mo for so enya bi ahwe. Enti ya 2016 go for ever akonya mu no. Oba Paul mu no. And also kin Ghana kra no. Ya ambulance wo ma yem esua ma ya fe meka ho. And okra more than 300 plus ambulances. As ambulance no ba ye no. Ye de ba ko bia call constituency ba ko. What I say. Now before that na Ghana Ambulance Service no na you CEO hono I say ono no kofo any appointing this ni that is Professor Nuhu Zakaria kofo any I appointing no e go for buy no was okay ma maintain no they go for maintain no but 2020 now that Professor Nuhu Zakaria or contested as a parliamentary candidate for Boy constituency under NDC on the ticket of NDC or contested for parliamentary seat. And what you go back say there be I said other professor Ghana Ambulance Service no no oya ma meji dimbone because enipa member am to officer man you dey no say adwen a wo dey teaching there near because under his watch or hema ye the ambulance ni go gu baby ama now ambulance no egu ama ya sei egu ama ya sei abra na constituency no hospital go enya ambulance but na camp ambulance egu baby say na ni nyina ye say all no selfish political games say be ya obetimi na tarnish the image of MPP. What I say? Ghana Ambulance Service their headings and obetimi tarnish the image of MPP. Never Ghana for house with that 2 abonate and it go for the call about 2020 no. 2029 go for winning now and of fire this guy of your Professor Nuhu Zakaria or any free Ghana Ambulance Service on. But 2025 we no Mahama buy. And Mahama as I call for any baby so o may Ghana Ambulance Service. Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu for a record host oba bontene with the usual expose na oba ye no wa betire mu Ghana Ambulance Service na say as obi ayi na niam was say that Honda say oh sika bia chire ni ho what say sika bia ni ho that sector kwa head ehia caretaking head ehia ibia no masa say sika o ho papa sika o ho papa Afrifa be mo expose na sika amanfo edi wo ho no mo no sika manfo di ayes professor we CEO ne ho ebo mu bi ni din ebo mu bi
Yedika yanko ambulance service ejumre. Me make sense say my friend ambulance service penifo omo ho e wa asemi mu nyina. Na enkomo bia koso. Ye beppo audio bia mo ati. Enipa a wo betie ne no. Ye be kire wade. What you say? By 2016, na ambulance aka Ghana nyina ye 54. And him for the scandàl ye bet ye audio bi. Na audio ni ye bet so later. Exactly. She dey make you. Audio ni ye bet ye. Na ye wia ye bet say audio no dia aka no by. We Professor Nuhu Zakaria. One watna ambulance service for 16 solid years. 19 solid years as CEO of ambulance service. President Kufone appointed no. Ye beba be this anko no. from 2006 and watching us here ambulance service you are besine ni ye behwe de ntia ye ntimi mpamo no wo ye de president Kufuor you know and wo ye senko wo ye ne ade na ono no ni bota de ban so ye per all inclusive governance etuba kaya wo de malami samo and ye Dr. Ayi Papa Kwasi Ndumo Freddy Blame wo nyina wo twe wo mu wura ma memu e wa bra no mo nya PPP wo ye no ma ambassador at large Dr. Edward Nasigri Mahama wo man ambassador ni ade etu we mu nyina no ye no na NDC for nanso president Kufuor no mo ye adwuma no appointing as ambulance service Kofi utie nie ba no what na wa from 2006 Professor Mills ba ye ni ade so ye NDC ni ntia won de ye pame no se ene edi trance na ye na Kufuor do no nso ba ye ni ade afa dodo no e kan na yi no ne ayi na Kufuor do so toda ye bɔ no wo ma ne tena ho ye betie nkomo e de na akoso allegedly no and I say this because audio no my fresh abrantie ogina ho abrantie wo gina wo ye panipa wo eye ambulance service ni na nkomo bi akoso ye betie na ya ba be chire mu at the right time and ye bedi nkomo wo ye wie no iyoku National Security, BNI, CID, Police CID. We are going to provide you with a bank account details. Monshas Yagoyen Jumu, a DNA cost for ambulance service. 3.8 million Ghana cedi be a co ambulance service. Almost year day. 2016, time of Papa way and I'm gonna say, walk a year campaign, no, walk campaign, walk a year, NDC parliamentary candidate for Bole Bamboy. Ewa Brana, what Chias ambulance service CEO, or Coco Lusubaye, Esa Befana Kunya, Ewa Bra constitution clearly is against it. You're hearing now, Oko 2016, a Genesis, Sikabi free baby, a Codini Hall, or the Koya campaign, where your questions say, you're not doing for the Busa. They are bought you ni we are afa ne mu amachi na ya shase na ya back Monday ya na be board the finality of the order Kofi komo ho ya di ka kire mo be bia corruption wo bia ya ni she be bia ya ni she ho with evidence na ya ka kire mo ya de ya hwehwere so mampani John Mahama bebu amamu pa no bebu amamu pa esi ya bua no unravel all the corruption related matters and the man the Professor Ahmed Nuhu Zakaria and the yenim komo mira wadaroma wu ya appoint 2006 under President Kufuor me no ka se wo yenkoso hinema rara na President Kufuor appointed no and what's na sia bedru sabri. Fast forward, and why not going to say 2016? Obekwa ran for a member of parliament on the ticket of NDC. Now go for Yanko Article 94.3C, 3B. Danny, so when you win one, but there are 2 pages. For Constitution in Yanko Article 94.3B. Ne zoom in Emma Manfonere. I can't say we are a nation of laws. We are a creation of law. So I have to let you know the position of the law, what the other people are doing, and why it offends the law. It's Yanko Article 94, Clause 3B. Then if I call 94 first one, and San Waba. If I call 94 first one, and San Waba. Now we read the first line we are. So already 94.3 I was saying a person shall not be eligible. Chenio. Obi Article 94.3. A person shall not be eligible to be a member of parliament if he after Yanko B. I say you shall not be eligible to be a member of parliament. And there has been so many cases, Supreme Court no ruling on it. Says service any idea MPP versus NDC 2000. Any idea no Supreme Court no ruling on it. Say you cannot be qualified to contest as a member of parliament if A B was say if that person is a member of the police service, prison service, the armed forces, the judicial service, the legal service, and the civil service, for which National Ambulance Service is a civil service. It is Obi Teso, as CEO of a National Ambulance Service. Now what you mean Yakukudro, as our Costande, as Member of Parliament, Emma the NDC in Bole Bamboy, and you then what you mean Yakukudro, Eba back to taking the position as the CEO of a National Ambulance Service. Question Yabusa, Article 94, he speaks clearly against it. And you then what you mean Yakukudro, Eba back to taking the position as the CEO of a National Ambulance Service. Question Yabusa, Article 94, he speaks clearly against it. So we are civil servant. You cannot qualify. As to how even the EC, Electoral Commission, look, sir, Waman Shema, Papa Wei, Professor Nuhu, a qualifier because they were supposed to disqualify him. Per Article 94, they ought to have disqualified him. But for some reason, he was able to beat his way through. Still, he was in the service. He was still a member of the public service. The civil service, I mean. So Article 94 clearly speaks against him. Now, Kofi Okoba, Yanka Hunu says, Papa, and then in leadership, and I do 2016. Ya call 2017 Baka ya kufa do penso. Na ambulance haka Ghana nyina ya 54. Na sikare fa he. Media minim. Ye betie audio bi. Na sa audio no. Enipa bi a friend Mohammed Mashid. Dodo no afra MM. Royal Special Operations Unit Commander at the head office. And yes one no be dim komo. Na ono ni the right hand man of this man. Na ye be di wonu nie, wonu ne ade no. Na my friend no ene 3 times wamfa me ya wa so nim say audio no wo me ho me ya wa so say Professor Ahmed Nuhu Zakaria nim say audio no wo me ho but reach out me nya wo mo nim say media I text no ambesua no mo na mo ka media minim no mo say wo nya obi ho asem a ma no opportunity ha na make us my friend no etini e betie audio no ene ya nsem na call so 3.8 million bi buy ekodi he ho am na chei na ho na nya ahwan hey sano moka eti iyoku CID yemamu information one shas yanko National Ambulance Service we will provide you with bank account details precisely Obi CEO way under the leadership and ambulance ekufa do kotobaye yes is say the ambulance ne fa body ne banche I check body ne banche BP e wa ambulance me I'm helping John Mahama so bet me abu ne mai let him know I'm not interested in so na buy ne be fail so I have to help him to unravel the corruption in our nation eti papa yi anya nwanwa so what na ase na ambulance service President Akufo do akofa ambulance 375 was say ya fire one was here the betcha body and a bunch and nobody got punished precisely with the asema omo yantafo samum ono ambulance man no na second audio no e be born Monday no omo yeso sa audio no kura no what this ambulance sika high dan man ni nuanom ne na de nya hey and some mo obi yebaboni nyina adwuma no aye no me say a service to God and country esramu madama enye John Mahama memu e be feli so President Mahama mebua wo CID mebua wo yoko mebua wo yase papa no you aye ne ade obi eti the ambulance service na fa body ne banchi ya punish obia papa na resign yes hey na mobekaya before say John Mahama John number 1 before so say koto ambulance bia na say the try ni ade ambulance saga no de japa ani ato force ho bam na papa leadership wa etini ma bebra happen estola papa ne tim do tim obotantim onko ba bia o na vi audio no tiemu a ana iya ne ade say branch no on voice wo audio no so wo kire mu se say wono kura ne tu nro ma papa no ma ne mu ye den enya me na meka ye tie audio ni wia ni hand no over to the CID na CID no ahwehwem no makoye o mo hwehwem nya sa hey imu oden Obitia nio me yabua ma memo no agina anya sa kwa mafo sramu a anya sa samo se no me maka Nicolo Makaveni na mani wo ba bia medical I say some boa wo ma a fake doctor be pamo na me say boa mo say ambulance service bibi ikoso ho na we no ambulance for no efrefre me personnel se no katakye kabi ma yen asembesi na uniform ye show mu yi new uniform bi na ho asem ho ni yabusa question wo mutimi koje invoice free wo bi or supply uniform ho na owia na oni ni nuan mo create ayi dia ni ade ye de momo tua nipa ne ka se bia oni pan de ba 1 cedi na woni ayi procurement officer na procurement officer no ni din de Alhaji Sanunu wada uruma ye beba ho abebusa questions de na ekoso ambulance service wo sikadie ekoso mu yibi na obi di invoice ba mu ama create companies ya mo ji invoice ni we na mo hwe a na mo tua no enipa no supply we na mo tua ne momu sa na mo ya na mo wi a mo ankasa mo yinise ya for the interest of the public. The public must know. No. Gobi, one more create one company. Oh, our modi a contract here. You bet your audio. Now audio ni we are the pamucha madama. CID, Penyah, Yoko, BNI, Japa, when here. Koko Wajma. Gobi, it's yeah. No much as we are in this in the Kura. Hamam for no adwene wo bi o pesi bi se wo MPP ni bia no na hopa na pewu na de na ye e ma wo mo ka se Akufo adokura nyine ono so se ja bomochichie wo ka se mo wonte na otena ho a na ya no ayi ora yi ba ye enkrofo akunchire nioma akoma okugye to abla kwane ne ora asem se papa no ti oyi ambulance service wo ye nioma ye so okugye to so we na na eboa ye we na wo mo kan se okugye to ye se we na eboa ye CID ye board you new year audio no first batch ye bebo second one Monday you bebo and where you deep analytical conversation akoso hey some wom obi enti papa yi ana wo hia obi se ebia ambulance service ye uniform no ye pefufuro enti moma ye fufuro na nipa no so ama quotation se ni what the quotation ne ba yes san audio ne ka so otimi ka se quotation no kura wo no je mobile money nie na emom no ye de ye nkrofo a company e bakwa akotu akoma ba etua it was invoice ibu 240 Ghana for one a year uniform o wi akura no a yase wo mo ya wo so ambulance service no national ambulance service ne de woni sika obetua ma personnel so enti wo mo wo ba ko bi e friend MTAG emergency technicians association of Ghana enti MTAG no ana ba ye conduit between ambulance service and personnel na wo mo de wo sika ato uniform no ne de bia to so ato ama personnel ne nyina ye beti audio ni enti BNI CID national security ye mamo information mon call a ambulance service so this is one of the invoices govi dani bie na manfo ne hwe enti ye freeway Macams Ventures na ono supply a ambulance a can say uniform enti uniform green na mo hunu Mohammed Mashid session no when a supply na initially no or supply no mo so won fa be 10 bimra enti no invoice ni eno kwa no mo chi invoice no 23,600 o mo amfa ade no na year sie ni ade an wo mo call ye ekotua ne mobile money ne cash physical cash say o mo wie no o mo de akwakoje ni yi kakaka on de michiri ambulance service o na ono ye no so ni oni bi eti EMT o say MTAG no MTAG ne mra meto wo mo to first one we ye ana wo mo supply about 1,000 Omo supply we no. And yes o personnel se na mo pɛ bi no. Mo mra metwetwe sika. Eti ye be ma bank account details. CID mo konko hwem. Mo investigation nyina ye be boa. Ye be ma mo bank account details. Wo ma personnel se ni bi twa sika gu mo. Na 2 years ni from 2022 besi ne. Personnel se no wo musika fabu. Ya digi sika na gu mo. Enso ye wo mo hunu uniform. CID ya kyerɛ mo adwuma BNI yoku mo fuma ni nkyerɛ National Ambulance Service mesi ye be mo ntie audio no obi na 1.36 million bi ɛno ye be hwɛ adeɛ no na mo so wo mo fama no na adidi jaba mo ani bra baba o mo gye me invoice na mo yɛ sa ne invoice no enie na mo sa mo hwɛ ho keke na mo wia na mo de mo company akɔfa dia ɛne ani bra baba more fire et you go feel better audio audio yes Mohammed Mashid our special operations unit of the year Friday and say head office one on the wall one chain right so wo hwɛ the idea Mohammed Mashid na on papa yi ware fie baako Professor Ahmed Nuhu Zakaria one ne ware fie baako Dabio sa na wotie audio no na wo yese wone papa no kura ne ade no wodi ansam ne nyame me jimi kan nyina e kwa mafo ansam wo mo more fire semu na ye be kwa kotie audio no kotoka me ha yarefo 3-4 what's your name? Ni onchenia bem 3.8 million be release you doing election. See if I'm one election at the no. Owura no ho Professor Ahmed Nuhu Zakaria adaruma efa he. Yes, accountability. Uba account to the people. Why? We no ye tie audio ni wi a. Uba account to the people. So Danny young wasting much time. Who betie audio? A phone conversation between supposedly Abranti Mohammed Mashid Dodwana friend na oye papa no right hand man and yes one will be doing komo na be pia you say no yimi ade yi Sana Moka for the records. Danny Tobo. So first part here mubeti. Some catch them say 2016. Ye real election Papa you call election. Oko stande. Professor Ahmed Nuhu Zakaria ko stande wo bole bamboy. Edienti na na cash ambulance 54 pe no kura ne bebre break it down. One time asudi audio no beka bibi na CID BNI Yoko monkonko hwem audio no na eka monkonko ye madwuma na monfa fax and mamfo yenti audio no allegedly in fact when I said I'm in voice detector I detected the voice my friend 2 times wamfa enti Mohammed Mashid yentie mo amoni nso de munim no mo amoni the voice nso nim the voice na de enti ame ye se so mo hwehwa so mo the technicalities match me me lawyer ni ameba yentie Danny starting and let me tell you something that I know that you don't think anybody knows. And I don't want to go to file for yentie Danny starting and let me tell you something that I know that you don't think anybody knows. And I told one God went to file for the primary. He was using office money. When he lost and came back and MCC won, people were doing everything. By then, the small was in charge of procurement. People used this thing. And I told them what they did to cover up from debt. For him not to be arrested. Sir, suppliers. At that time, if they had known you, they would have made you bring uniform. Yes, you bring uniform, they will do the right. Danny, hold on. Come on, I did Momo Masu Embrem. Govi? Mumbia Masumo, Govi? Or Kasimbi. Or say when he was going for the 2016 election, Oko Standi as MP, they gave him ambulance money. na obekire sika no de na ese ye de ye tienio what do you need no na wo kire se sika no ye de ma Professor Nuhu Zakaria no sa sika no kura no it was meant for the repairs of ambulance vehicles. Eti ade a omo ye ye ne se what do you know according to you know ade a omo ye ye ne se ene ye se ambulance service auditors e ba no ma sheda frefre suppliers se mo fa spare parts mra ne de spare parts abegu ye wie pe ye so spare parts no mo fa nko auditor no ko mo fa nko ne am bibi kakra audio ni mu e beti ni nyina na Monday dia no yemba show obi Monday dia yemba show eti ye ntie Muhammad Majid, yes, your friend Baba. The do not friend Baba. Or more minimum the voice in the one. Now, maybe a voice detector. Eji, Danny, Saboni.
Yes, you bring uniform, they will do the right check and they will call you to come and collect the uniforms back. And that's what they did. They'll bring, the press will bring spare parts. That time, our name was just on radio stations everywhere that we don't have ambulances. It was those money. The money for the tax which he used to do his campaign. So we could bypass with the ambulance. When I they secretly covered it up. They'll make the supplier bring spare parts. The auditors will come and check. When they go, the auditors will check and approve things. When they go, they'll call the supplier to come and carry it. Yes, and I was in that and I was seeing all those things. And I told him that he was shocked. I said, you didn't know I know about it. I said, I knew all those things. And no.
Okay, so Danny, hold on, pause, never back. Danny, follow. So, Mobetia, audio ni muno. Osi sika ye ka se onfanya ambulance service wajuma. An what they call election. Na auditor se ba no. An omo fresh suppliers. Ade mirika de ba ye. Se omra na omfa meguo. Na auditors be wi no omo kwa no masa fresh suppliers se me fa de ne ko. Where Muhammad Majid Mashid Neka. Baba. Sasa na baba ye friend nyasa. Ni asini nua nso kra wo police service. What's it? Ambulance no wo ma che omo hu buo omo kum oncheni obi ai mamfo no obi ye be boa ma memo na koso afi yen koso ntie wa wie time a na eyeda na omo anche no time a aban sesan no eyeda na omo anche no yentie audio no yentie
yes, so I thought he would have even said that we pay those who perform the election duties and use the remaining money to buy uniform and distribute for everybody. They hold this is 1.5 million down. Out of the 3.8, they hold 1.5 million down. And then I asked me to request the rest. I wrote memo to request the rest of the money. And they said, do you know the amount they gave me out of the 3.8 million?
No. So Danny, pause it, never back. Where another issue. So during election, supposedly a buying issue a 3.8 million at the ambulance service. Say ambulance service and find your operations. Okay? And according to the audio, ambulance service 3.8, you know, 1.5 million to what's it? What they are not just a chairman, so more for 1.5 million to now or no Muhammad Mashid, and yes, who was to say. Yamano 20,000 per out of 3.8 million. The national security BNI, you draw my attention. National security BNI, we are drawing your attention. Maybe because ambulance service or 3.8 million are ye issue, you know. Young Conco tie a quanya or faso. Eternal. Then it's Safam go back and never back.
I said I knew all those things. And no.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes. So I thought he would have even said that we pay those who perform the election duties and use the remaining money to buy uniform and distribute for everybody. They hold this is 1.5 million down. Out of the 3.8, they hold 1.5 million down. And then I asked me to request the rest. I wrote memo to request the rest of the money. And they said, you know the amount they gave me out of the 3.8 million? So 20,000.
You that did everything.
I'm telling you, 20,000. 20,000 things. The 1.5 is only.
Boss Mame. Not just a audio, no. Actually, 3.8 million Ghana cedi in a buy. Now, no, when you are 20,000 Ghana cedi. One Chinese be bum, yeah, Chadi, and your man 20,000. Near man, so find the thing. And the job, national security, BNI. We are going to provide you with, even baby or Mojiche personnel in Isika Koguyen. You be providing with a bank account. Mobile Quacoshim. The Mojumana Emre. Moon Concoshim, what? I go it's a January day. 20,000 out of 3.8 million. I buy, you know. Young Kosuntie.
Who knows what they are going to do with it? 1.5 million. Now, I mean, for the amount they tax request for it to be used to pay every year, he was paid 50,000. Accountant 40,000. My immediate boss after operation 40,000.
Danny, Kuachika crab in a bra.
Radio Mama, Ewa Comedians. When Exposés Afrifa Ediaba. What is your view on that? I Penyah Media.